This is the kitchen faucet by Wee, and it looks so nice. Now this comes in a variety of finishes, but we chose the brushed nickel, and look how beautiful it is. So it comes with everything included, and you can also pick what side you want the faucet handle to be on. You can put it on the left side, the right side, or the center too. And another nice feature is right here. This spout has a feature that you can do either spray or stream. I really love that feature. And it also comes with this deck plate. Perfect. So look how nice that is. Beautiful. And it also is going to be very easy to install, it says. So especially for me, since my husband's going to install it, it's going to take about 20 minutes, it says, for the install. I love it so far. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.